One, two, one, two. There we go. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is day 37, and I am indeed again busy. I was meant to launch the website today when some more issues. And this one is not like an issue that I could solve on the go. It is a premium. It's something that people would pay for. So I couldn't go live with the main thing or the selling point of the website. You couldn't actually utilize. It's partially working. I paid for everything, but there's some issues with it and the code, and I'm not really like a coder like that, so it's gonna take me a minute to complete. So God willing, it's tomorrow. I know we pushed it. I might be able to get it done today and then launch it tomorrow. I partially fixed most of the problem. I just need to edit one main bit, and then after I edit that one main bit, we're ready to go live. And then I'll just create some videos tomorrow. We'll do some recordings, and then I'll post some tomorrow as well. So yeah, keep up to date. What's the word I'm trying to say? Keep posted. Yeah, that's the one. Keep posted, and you'll see a lot of information come out very soon and very quickly. Okay, so with that being said, we cannot be here for long. So I don't think I can watch an episode of a mentorship. I think that's gonna be like after weekend, so like second week of April. Second week of April is more so when I'm probably gonna be doing it, as opposed to today or this weekend, because of it being Easter weekend. I will be very busy planning, reaching out to people, and etc. etc. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through the weekly candles. So last time we found out it was 14 out of 25 in terms of the predictions for the day. So let me see, can I duplicate this? Okay, okay. Okay, it changes both. Okay. Maybe I need to rename it. Why are they both linked? Okay, I see. I pasted the reference, not a duplicate. So this one should be okay, perfect. So 14 out of 25 was last week's output, in that we predicted direction of the weekly candlestick on 4 out of 5 of them. So with GBP CAD, we expect the price to be going down. On the weekly, we can see we've filled the imbalance here and we're rejecting it. And the weekly candle right now is still bullish. So that's 0 for 1. So let me just create the format. We're currently 0 for 1. Wait. Okay. So CAD-JPY, we also predicted to go down. The weekly candlestick is down. We predicted to go into this imbalance, and lo and behold, we've come into this imbalance. We are now 1 out of 2. Here we are predicting a sell from after it's delivered here. So we are wrong. So we've only got 1 right out of 3. And then here we're predicted to go down. It's currently still consolidating here. It's 1 out of 4. So not a great start. Currently 1 out of 4. Okay, we predicted this to go up. It is still going up, despite it looking like it's retracting a little bit. It has currently gone up, and it's technically up from the weeks. That's correct. Swiss franc JPY, we predicted for this to go up. It is currently rejecting this low and looks like it will go up. So that is currently wrong. So that's 1 right, 1 wrong. And then here we predicted to go down. It's currently still going down. So it's 2 right, 1 wrong. So this will go to 7. This will go to 3. Here we predict this to go down. It's still, technically still bearish, but it looks like it's going to react upwards. So we've got to be careful with that. But yeah, we are bearish technically. GU, we're bullish. And here we are bearish. So there's 2 wrong, 1 right. So that goes to 4 out of 10. Here we predicted us to react to this imbalance by going down. We have not. We're closing, look like above it. So that's wrong. This one we predicted to go down. We're currently still, technically we've gone up, but we believe that we go to the start of the week. Right here. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. This is the start of the week, correct? And up. Come back down a little bit, but we are bullish, so we are wrong about that. So wrong. Wait, we've done 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. This will change. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. 6, 7, 8, 12. What? Somehow we did more, we got less. Okay, so at the start of the week, we were correct than we are now. That's what we've gathered. Interesting. Any which way, weekly for me, I don't think is the end or be all. We are not going to make any judgment on that. The thing I would say is that for the ones that look good, like this one looks good, right? Because there's a reason and context behind why it's going down, which is that it's feel this imbalance and it's reacting to it. So that could take place from this week. So we've, excuse me, we've been creating low lows since Wednesday, and you can see that this downtrend has been happening. So what I'll probably do is I'll have a look and see if there's any opportunities in the morning tomorrow, and see. We'll probably do an early stream for London Open and see if we've done anything to the Asia session that will start in a couple of hours, and then we'll see if there's a taking of the high, because I believe this can go down still. And then there's other opportunities like this one I think can go up now because of the fact that we've now delivered to this midpoint. We've had consolidation. We've now swept the lows, swept the highs, and it can continue going up. And something like this, which we predicted to be bearish, delivered to the imbalance over here, and is potentially can continue down below. So that is something I believe could happen as well. So these ones, I'm liking them, basically, is my point. So I don't know how we've somehow got less and more, but we will not as accurate thus far. We'll see how we end up at the end of the week. That's the main point. And then, yeah, we'll see. But for now, we are going to end the stream. I know it's another short one. It's just that we got to keep it consistent. And sometimes consistency isn't always me, putting 100% effort in, or not. That's not true. It's not always me putting in or showing up on my best days only. Sometimes it's going to be my worst days too. And we are currently still building this website. And yeah, we're nearly done. Okay, we're nearly done once this is launched. I've got the social media handles, like I was saying, I think yesterday. I've got these premium features, but it's not working right now. So I want it to work, and because I want it to work, I need it to obviously, I need to actually, what do you call it, fix it up and make sure it's all good. But we're coming soon, trust me. Just keep waiting, and then I want to get the premium features working. Once I've done that, like, the website is not done. Like, there's a lot I want to change, but you got to take it as every day as it comes. And there's other projects I'm also working on at the same time while this is going on. So there's a lot of work that's being done. With that being said, I'm probably going to end stream and go back into fixing this. Hopefully we can fix it tonight and then launch tomorrow. And then it'll be perfect, actually, the first day of Easter. No, not true. That's the day after. But tomorrow, at least, it'll be just before Easter. I think it's a great time. So, yeah, appreciate everybody for tuning in. The ones that came, the ones that are watching, the ones that will watch this back. There's been a lot of people watching a lot of my videos back, and I'm very, very grateful. And I'm super excited. You're going to be seeing my face a lot more. I know I don't have a camera set up right now. That's because my camera, or the camera I was using, is in use. It's a professional camera, so it's being used a lot. And so I will be potentially getting my hands on it next week. And I'll also be doing some recordings with my phone and whatnot. So yeah, there's a lot being done. Okay, just know that. I'm not, what's the word? Like, I'm not cutting corners. I'm putting in work, okay? But yeah, thank you guys. I'm grateful. Being your boy CJIC, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on day 38. Peace.